नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे. We do daily at least 24 minutes sadhana to make our life sublime. In sadhana, intimacy, aptat is very important. It is sweet for payasam. It is address for a letter. It is really the magnet which attracts the iron as such. So intimacy is there means God within you is catching you, watching you, hearing you, and He is there to respond easily and eventually. The baby fondles the mother because it is very intimate to the mother. The worldly man is fond of his wealth. He intimately loves the wealth, has more affection towards his wealth. Just like the human being should think, thank and ink the Lord within, the Prana Shakti, Trana Shakti, and he should call him by Ishta Mantra and think the Lord as Ishta Deva. If you love Ganesha very much, think Lord Ganesha is within your heart. If you go to a Shiva temple, then you think Lord Ganesha has taken the form of Shiva. In a fancy dress competition, the same man can have so many roles, isn't it? Just like that, if you go to a Mahalakshmi temple, think Lord Ganesha within has taken Mahalakshmi form as such. So develop intimacy with the Lord. He is doing more than 93% of the physiological activities of the body. He pumps the heart 72 times per minute. He respires through the nose 22 times per minute. He winks the eyelid, swallows the saliva minute by minute. In a minute, you see, 72 part plus 22 plus 1 plus 1, 96 times he responds. In a day, 1,38,240 times he responds. No noise, no voice. Even you are in sound sleep, God is watching you, being alert all the time. That too, regular performance of the physiological activities. No upset, everything is set up, you see. It is all involuntary action. That means voluntary action of the Lord, they become involuntary to you. So develop intimacy. But for you, O Lord, I would have be a dead body. O Lord, please see me. Please hear me. Please call me. He clearly responds to your appeals, you see. When you are in sound sleep, midnight, comes in your dream and tells, "Oh my child, sweetie child, oh Papa, how are you? I am here, watching you. Please reply." My boy, reply. But you are in sound sleep, forgetting yourself. All the 93% of the physiological actions are done by the Lord when you have become dead body time being in sound sleep. So this is the way how to get intimacy with the Lord. He has given Prana Shakti free of cost. Why? procreation by recreation. You see, God never boasts that I am your Lord. You need not think about me, he says. I will consider you as a four-legged animal. This is the general aspect of the Lord. You have to inculcate all godly qualities: love, patience, forgiveness, dutifulness, selflessness. Then you can increase intimacy easily and eventually. Intimacy is, but for you, I will not live upon this earth. You are my life force. Whether I remember you or forget you, it is my usual duty to get and forget, O Lord. But it is your greatest duty to give and forgive. If you really remember the significance of these words, you develop intimacy with the Lord. When you are so intimate, if you think Ganesha is your Ishtadeva, continuously you can contemplate Jai Ganesha, Jai Venaka, Jai Vigneshwara, Jai Lambodara, like this continuously, minute by minute. This is called Satata Manasika Dhyana. What is important in fruitful sadhana is, you have to inculcate Satata Manasika Dhyana with the shortest and the simplest and the sweetest name of the Lord. Adding Jai, telling the name of the Ishtadeva. So Jai Ganesha, Jai Venaka, Jai Vigneshwara, Jai Lambodara, Jai Vakratunda. If you think like that, automatically your mind is busy with external works as such in your office, but the suppressed mind consisting of buddhi and chitta, will and intellect will contemplate regularly, constantly, eventually, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha. This is the famous indication that you are intimate to the Lord. So develop intimacy 100%, always in always, and never boast or bloat, because of prana you have been leading a fruitful life on the earth. When there is Jiva, you are Shiva. When there is not Jiva, you are Shava. So develop intimacy, fortify that, dive deep in intimate circle, and call him and recall him. Oh my Lord, oh Ganesha, I want to see you, I want to hear you, I want to apply. Please reply or supply. Please reply in melodious voice or supply my want as Karpasala. I want to see you. Please supply the special splendid vision, O my Lord. So this is the way. If you develop 100% intimacy with the Lord, you can hear his melodious voice and you can see him clearly and cleverly. Try your luck. First of all, make yourself with 100% self-confidence. I will win. My Lord Ganesha definitely makes me win. Okay? Jai Shri Guru Maharaj Ji ki Jai.